Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the NVIDIA Control Panel, right-click the desktop and choose it. You do this because the Control Panel exposes driver-level settings that Windows Settings does not. Once done, confirm your GPU drivers are current and your monitor cable is firmly connected. Outdated drivers or loose cables hide resolutions. Make sure the active display shows in the panel. If the control panel doesn't appear, reinstall the NVIDIA driver now, and then reopen to continue. You now go to Display Right Arrow Change Resolution. This is where you select the exact pixels and refresh rate that your monitor and GPU will output. First, choose the correct display if more than one appears. Many users adjust the wrong screen. Next, pick a resolution and a refresh rate that your monitor supports. Higher refresh improves motion clarity, but unsupported combinations will fail. Once selected, click Apply to preview. Confirm within the dialog to keep the change. You finish by applying the setting and testing your display for glitches and proper scaling. Look for stutter, black screens, or incorrect aspect ratios. If the chosen resolution isn't listed, open Customize and create a custom resolution. Only use values your monitor claims to support. Finally, if things go wrong, roll back the driver or switch cables first. If persistent, boot safe mode to uninstall the NVIDIA driver and reinstall the correct version. That single troubleshooting tip often fixes bad profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.